Good afternoon, everybody. Let me first start by sharing with you what really gets me to speaking to people all across and on this platform, and what really has been the life experience that I have had so far. Essentially, I started my career after I finished my engineering and I finished my MBA. I was working with Tata Motors. I worked with Tata Motors for a while, and while I was working with Tata Motors, I realized one thing very clearly in my mind, that a job was not for me. I don't want to do a job, and I will not be able to do a job. What is the difference between a job and a business? In a job, you have to work to get paid. In a business, you should get paid whether you get out of bed or not. You should get paid whether you get out of bed or not. चाहे मैं काम पे जाऊं या ना जाऊं, I get paid every month. नौकरी में आप काम पे नहीं जाओ, you don't get paid, right? धंधे के बड़े बड़े जो बिजनेसेस होते हैं, बड़े बड़े धंधे होते हैं, उनके मालिक कौन होते हैं? बिजनेस जो चलाता है वो एम्प्लॉय होता है, और मालिक जो होता है वो शेयर होल्डर होता है. So let me tell you, all big businesses in the world, all Fortune 500 companies in the world, all 1,000 top companies in this country started out just like you did, with nothing. So the point is, you have everything that you need to grow to a 10,000 crore business, because this is how it has always been done in history. Always. No business has started with big capital. First generation, never. All businesses started off just like you did. You have it all. Everything. Everything that you need, you already have it. We have a lot of perceptions, theories, mindsets in our mind. What are they? कि जी कंपटीशन बढ़ गया इसलिए मेरा धंधा डाउन जा रहा है. गवर्नमेंट की ना पॉलिसी खराब हो गई है, चाइना से प्रोडक्ट आ रहे हैं, हमारा मार्केट ना रिसेशन में है. All of that is bull. That works when you are 50% of the market share, 40% of the market share. Yes, I can understand if products start coming in from a different country. Yes, I can understand if there are regulations from the government. Yes, I can understand if it is getting heated up because of competition, recession or other factors. अभी इतना बड़ा खेल है कि अगर आप इस समय बॉम्बे, हैदराबाद, बैंगलोर, पूना, कैलकाटा, चेन्नई, XYZ सब जगह मार्केट में कवर कर जाओ, तो हर साल आप डबल ट्रिपल ग्रो कर सकते हो, चाहे रिसेशन हो चाहे ना हो. So what is stopping you from scaling up if it is not external factors? आप में से हर एक बंदा जो यहां बैठा हुआ है ना, उसने अपना दिल, जी, जान, जिगर, आत्मा, खून सब लगाया हुआ है धंधे पे. सुबह से रात तक, मैं किसी को नहीं जानता, बट सुबह से रात तक आप मतलब जी जान से काम कर रहे हो, ये मेरी गारंटी है. So why are you not being able to grow? So let's look at it. So as a business owner, what is your key accountability? Key accountability समझते हैं? Prime objective, prime responsibility, prime job. The fundamental and the prime responsibility of any business owner is growth in profits. So we need to get it right. Growth in profits, not profits. पिछले साल 100 रुपए कमाया, इस साल 100 रुपए कमाया, कोई झंडा नहीं गाड़ा. Growing profits, not revenue. We are a manager for the sales department, finance department, purchase department, production department, operations department, customer relationship department. सब जगहों का हेड और मैनेजर कौन है? मैं. सुबह से शाम तक मैं क्या कर रहा होता हूं? फायर फाइटिंग, ट्रबल शूटर, फायर फाइटिंग, इमरजेंसी. सुबह पहुंचे 9, 10, 11 बजे, और जब मुश्किल से खाना खा के, मुश्किल से चाय पी के जब टाइम देखा तो बज गए वापस 9, 10, 11. और अगर वापस मुड़ के देखा कि किया क्या, सारे दिन क्या किया? नथिंग. See, most businesses do not work. Most businesses do not work. The people who run the businesses do all the work. You do all the work. And you're doing the wrong kind of work. So if you shift from doing things to getting things done, all of this would shift. But it is easier said than done. One of the most amazing businesses that I have found is a business and a company, you would have heard of it, called McDonald's. Do you know what is the average age of McDonald's employee across the world? 16 is the average age of an employee in McDonald's. The average age of a manager in McDonald's is 21. McDonald's operates in 33,500 cities across 119 countries. 33,500 cities. And these guys serve about 7 crore people, 6.8 crore people every single day across the globe. 1,35,000 crore rupees of business. And it is run, this company is run by 16-year-olds. The reason it works is because McDonald's is not a one big large company. It is a number of small companies, but they're integrated so well. The systems run so well that it can run and work across the globe. Okay, so let's look at this, right? There are 5 levels to be an entrepreneur. The first level is when you're self-employed. You start your business and you're essentially self-employed where you are your own boss. Then you become a manager. Most of us are at this stage where you employ people and then you become a manager. You now have to keep chasing them to get the work done. Are most of us in this position? Yes, no? Yes, yes? So most of us are actually not entrepreneur, business owners, but manager. The job of a manager is what? Logon se kaam karwana, piche pade rehna. Then we become a business owner. That is when you have systems set up and a team that does all the work for you. The cash flow keeps coming in whether you get out of bed or not. That is a business owner. Then you become an investor. We step out of business and turn to and become an investor. You can now start investing your money in property, stocks, or new businesses. And finally, you become an entrepreneur when you use other people's money, in many cases, other people's ideas, and in all cases, other people's talent and time. अगर आप टारगेट करते हो कि 100 रुपए का सेल करना है या 100 रुपए कंपनी को पहुंचाना है, तो यूजुअली वेयर डू यू एंड अप? 70-80? यस नो? 100 करोड़ का अगर गेम खेला तो 70-80 करोड़ पे रुक जाओगे? यस नो? मगर अगर आपने 500 करोड़ का गेम खेला तो मरते मरते भी 200 करोड़ तो पहुंच ही जाओगे. Science, magic is something that you cannot understand. So what I'm saying is the way you do business is voodoo and witchcraft. Let's try and understand the science and skill of doing a business so that you get a grip. Okay. So putting your business on an autopilot, a systems approach. How can you put your business on an autopilot? Let's look at the systems approach. There is something called a business management system. I call it a business management system. You can call it whatever you like, right? It's got nothing to do with the terminology. So there's no specific, just that how to manage your business management system. So what is a BMS? It's an integration of all areas of business or department into an engine that would automatically generate and handle any amount of business. See, what happens is how we operate and what we do business like is this. Engine देखा? Engine, गाड़ी का engine. गाड़ी के engine को आप खोल दो और एक बड़े से उसमें बिछा दो. Each part is scrap. Is it not? Independently, each part is scrap. Independently, you can't do anything with any of the parts. But when the whole thing comes together and becomes an engine, that is an engine that can take you anywhere. So what I'm going to talk about is independently we know each part. Independently we handle each part. Independently we can deal with each part. Only problem is it doesn't work. It's not an engine. It's not taking us anywhere. So 6 steps are: first, fundamentally, an organizational chart. We need financial control, total financial control over whatever we are doing. We're talking about work flow through the organization, how work actually flows through the organization, what are the systems that govern the work that flows through our organization, right? Very important part is reporting structure. What is the reporting structure that we have in our organizations if we have it? That's moving from chaos to control. And finally, also leveraging KRAs. The key to get your team to deliver every time. But ये जो हैं KRA और reporting structure जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, this is not conventional like we're talking about. I'm talking about slightly different things. So we'll examine it and look at it. And executive meetings is the routine that will finally set you free and you can run your business working 1 day a week. Organizational chart, let's say for example, when we draw an organizational chart, have you found that at a certain place there is nobody there? There are people missing there? Yes, no? तो पहली बात तो जब आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चार्ट बनाओगे या स्ट्रक्चर बनाओगे, जहां जहां मिसिंग है उसमें किसका नाम डालना चाहिए? अपना। क्यों? क्योंकि अगर कोई आदमी मिसिंग है उसका काम कौन करता है? मैं। और फिर देखो बहुत मजा आता है कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चार्ट में कितनी जगहों पे मैं फुल टाइम काम कर रहा हूं, और अगर मैं फुल टाइम 4 जगहों पे काम कर रहा हूं तो जो पोजीशन मेरी है ये एक पोजीशन कहलाती है एमडी, या जो भी आप बोल लो। इसके नीचे ये हेड्स हैं, यहां भी मैं हूं, यहां भी मैं हूं, यहां भी मैं हूं। तो अगर यहां मैं हूं, यहां मैं हूं, यहां मैं हूं, यहां कौन है? कोई नहीं। इसीलिए तो आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे, because you can't possibly do full 3, 4, 5 full-time jobs and then do the job of an MD, which is also a full-time job. Is that right? Yeah. Second, you need to find out and have a structure in which you will fill up these positions, because I cannot tell you कि आप कल सुबह जाओ और ये 3 लोगों को हायर कर लो। भाई पैसा भी तो चाहिए इन 3 लोगों को हायर करने के लिए। Maybe you have it, maybe you don't. If you have it, great. If you don't have it, then you need to create a structured plan कि इसमें से कौन सी चीज ऐसी है जो सबसे ज्यादा मेरा टाइम खाती है, जो सबसे ज्यादा मेरा टाइम खाती है, पहले मैं वहां किसी बंदे को लगाऊं, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट। राइट? Got it clear? Second, you have to define clear accountabilities with everybody. How many of us have in our organization defined clear accountability के ये आपका काम है और आपका सिर्फ ये काम है, और ये आपका काम है, आपका सिर्फ ये काम है और कुछ नहीं करोगे? ऐसा कर रखा है क्या? करा हुआ है? यस, नो? ये पार्टली में बहुत मजा आता है मुझे, बहुत बढ़िया सा पैराडाइम है, और हम लोग ना इसको एडवोकेट करते हैं अपनी कंपनियों में। So the example that I like to give is, get this straight and get this straight forever, please. Either you get pregnant or you are not pregnant. You don't get partly pregnant. Do you get partly pregnant? Yes, no? Yes, no? Either it works or it doesn't work. Either it is or it is not. Partly means it is not. Get this straight with yourself. Because this is exactly what your employees tell you. हाँ जी, काम हो रहा है, काम कर रहे हैं, काम कर लिया। Pure nonsense. Why? Because we are doing the same thing. We are subscribing to the same philosophy. If somebody ever comes to you and says कि सर काम हो रहा है, it doesn't mean काम हो रहा है। काम हुआ या नहीं हुआ, मेरे को एक कहानी मत सुनाओ कि हो रहा है। Yeah, so let's get out of this, and for the next 1, 2, 3 hours we will not talk about partly. Yes sir?
If you ask somebody and he says काम हो रहा है या हुआ है या नहीं हुआ, if नहीं हुआ then what?
I'll tell you. Before we walk out, I'll tell you. You'll be very clear about it, and I'll tell you how and what also. So don't worry about it. ये सारा सिस्टम, क्योंकि ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, सबको है, नहीं है? So we'll talk about it, and we'll definitely look at it, and we'll look at it and we'll address it. Okay? So financial control. What is the primary purpose of our current financial system? What is the primary purpose of our current financial system?
Inflow, outflow, and then profit.
नो, नो, yes. The primary purpose of our current financial system is taxation. What are our finances designed for? Taxes. To make sure that we don't pay taxes. To make sure that we don't pay taxes. And then we expect to know what we are actually doing and how much money. How many of you actually know what is the kind of, what is the actual profit that you made last month? How many of you know what is the profit you made last month? Actual profit. Yeah? Excellent. Most of us have no idea what is the money that we actually made last month, last to last month, last quarter, maybe last 6 months. Yes, no? Yes, no? हाँ नहीं, क्या जानते हैं? नहीं जानते? क्या कर रहे हो? कर क्या रहे हो? धंधे का प्राइमरी पर्पस क्या है? प्रॉफिट, प्रॉफिट बढ़ाना, प्रॉफिट। हमको यही नहीं मालूम कि कितना प्रॉफिट है। कर क्या रहे हैं हम लोग? जब यही नहीं मालूम कि हम कहां हैं तो जाएंगे कैसे और कहां? सर सीटीसी सर जी। So one, get this straight and get this clear. Financially, we should know what is the exact amount of money that we are making. If you don't, then get this done first, foremost. If you don't know what you are making right now, you will never be able to enhance it. You have no idea what you're doing. Second, so one, first, foremost, please stop signing checks all through the month. Please stop signing checks once a week. Start signing checks twice a month. No more than twice a month. So when you sign checks 2 times a month, let's say for example, you can set up a system which says, and this system works in all corporates. जब आप corporates के पास जाते हो तो बोलता है ना कि check signing date ये है, इस दिन के बाद check मिल जाएगा, होता है? Yes, no? The whole world will get trained into this, my guarantee. So what you need to do is very simple. Tell everybody 5 तारीख तक जिसके चेक आए, जिसके बिल आए, वो 7 तारीख को अपना चेक ले जाना, पूछना भी मत। 6 तारीख को अगर बिल आया या उसके बाद आया तो 21 तारीख को अपना पैसा ले जाना, पूछना भी मत। तो 19 तारीख तक जिसके बिल आ गए 21 तारीख को मिल जाएंगे। 2 दिन कोई भी आप सेट कर लो। Got it? Set the budget for the next month on the 28th of the last month. Okay, so workflow through the organization. So why do we need workflow charts? Why do we need to know how work flows through the organization? One, it establishes clear accountability in the system which currently may not be there. कोई कुछ काम कर रहा है, कोई कुछ काम कर रहा है, और कोई सारे काम कर रहा है, कोई सारे नहीं काम कर रहा है, कोई कुछ, मतलब पूरा जंबल मैस होता है। क्लियर अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं, ये आपने करना है, ये आपने करना है, ये आपने करना है, ये आपने करना है। जब आप वर्क फ्लो चार्ट बनाओगे तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें नजर आएंगी। पहली सबसे बढ़िया बहुत मजा आता है वर्क फ्लो चार्ट बनाने। वर्क फ्लो चार्ट बनाने के बाद ये मजा आता है क्योंकि सबसे पहले ये समझ में आता है कि मेरी कंपनी में कितने नॉन फंक्शनल और कितने स्टूपिड तरीके से काम हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो हमारे दिमाग में रहता है या उसके दिमाग में रहता है, हमें मालूम भी नहीं कि काम कैसे चल रहा है एक्चुअली ग्राउंड लेवल पे। वो जैसे ही बनाते हैं तो समझ में आता है काम ऐसे चल रहा है, ये काम करने का कोई तरीका है क्या? दिस इज नो वे टू वर्क. We need to get this right, okay? To identify and correct the gaps in the system, what I just shared with you. Third, a flowchart replaces irreplaceability. A flowchart reduces the scope of error in the company. Errors, why do they occur? The errors occur because, one, employees do not correctly understand how to do a particular task. They do not understand at the root level. Second, they miss doing a task or do it in a incomplete manner. These errors lead to the following. Most important, you getting dragged into firefighting when it is too late. You understand this? एक process है जिसमें 10 स्टेप हैं. स्टेप नंबर 2 में अगर गलती हुई तो कब दिखती है? स्टेप नंबर 10 में दिखती है. So there is a fundamental principle in everybody's life, right? There is a fundamental principle which we use and leverage, which makes sure कि ये प्रॉब्लम ना आए. क्योंकि अगर आपने फ्लो चार्ट बना के अपने एम्प्लॉइज को दे दिया, वो कभी भी अप्लाई नहीं करेंगे, इंप्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे, वो फ्लो चार्ट चलने नहीं वाली. आप लगा लो एड़ी चोटी का जोर, आप लगा लो एड़ी चोटी का जोर, जो करना है कर लो, नहीं होने वाला. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं इसकी जगह? व्हाट वी डू इज वी सिट डाउन. द पर्पस, द वे टू डू अ फ्लो चार्ट इज वेरी सिंपल. सिट डाउन विद योर एंटायर एम्प्लॉय सेट, the heads of the various departments. अगर head नहीं है तो जो भी senior आदमी है उनके साथ बैठो. Sit down with them at about 4 o'clock. So this is a science. Do you understand a science? So step by step it has to be done in a certain particular manner. और अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो जो आपने बोला वैसे ही ठक करके वापस हिट करता होगा, फ्लो चार्ट तो फ्लॉप हो गया. So 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock you need to sit down with them. काम कैसे कर रही है? Let's create that. One is a diamond. Diamond मतलब जहां से yes और no निकल रहा होता है. Second is a box. So you have to realize that there has to be a system and a system which works, without which the whole thing will flop completely. Something like McDonald's also works on that.